3, 2, 1, go!
And here we are with our last qualifying match of the day on field number 2. Some qualifying matches aren't that important, but they all, of course, all of them affect the rankings, but I'm going to say that this qualifying match is incredibly important as a final match because Wolfpack Machina is the number 4 seed. If the Red Alliance loses this match, the captains will change for Alliance selection, which is not going to be a good look for the Scouts, but it will be a good look for the Blue Alliance, who may be able to secure themselves a position in the finals.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Looks like we're coming out with a slight lead for the Blue Alliance off of that game in the autonomous period, which means the Red Alliance has to play a bit to catch up. Again, it is super important to the Red Alliance that they win this match, but the Blue Alliance is not going to give it up without a fight. They are pushing for a win here, and it looks like they might have it so far. It's going to be up to the Red Alliance to take that win back. And you've got them going around and scoring as fast as they can. Wolfpack and Machina proving why they are the 4th ranked seed right now with that long extension armor there, so that easy movement on a swivel, allowing them to score on those top junctions as quickly as they possibly can. They have an incredibly fast scoring cycle. But that's not to mention, you've got Terabats here with their own system of a rotate over and getting tangled a little bit with their Red Alliance over there, 19458, EXE, Equilibrium.exe. But of course, as they score in the top, Terabats does, then Equilibrium goes right back and reclaims that upper junction for themselves. We are seeing very much a back and forth, a traditional game here, but the Red Alliance cannot afford to just play a traditional game. They have to win this. And we got these teams with under a minute left in the game, continuing to score. They're running a little low on cones on the Blue Alliance, and also a little low on cones on the Red Alliance, which means they have 4 cones left on these teams, which means they might have to hold a little bit so they can make sure they have enough time to claim these junctions at the end of the game with 5 seconds until the end game. 3, 2, 1. We're in the end game now. Those beacons are going to be making their way onto the field for some lock-ins on capping. And now you see the Red Alliance, unfortunately, looks like their human player might have messed up dropping their beacon in, which is going to be a little bit tricky. They might lose out on one of their beacons unless they can manage to write it properly. It looks like they managed to do that. We've got 2 blue caps, 2 Blue Alliance lock-ins, and that is 9 seconds left. Can we get a Red Alliance capping as well? We've got 1 Red Alliance cap. I'm not sure about this. Yes, we got 2 Alliance caps. That's 2, 1, 0, 220 to 246. That can change, though. That could definitely change depending on what happens here. This match is going to be super important, and while we're not going to be tossing it back over to the other field, we are going to have to wait a little bit for those scores to come out.